Hey Health Library fam. Welcome back to Health Libraries, your go-to spot for transforming your body and mind. Today, we're diving into something game-changing, the power of morning rituals. Want more energy, a faster metabolism, and a youthful glow that turns back the clock? Stick around, because I'm sharing 5 science-backed habits you can start tomorrow morning to feel amazing all day long. Let's jump in. Habit 1. Hydration. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body's begging for water. Skip the coffee for just a sec and grab a glass of warm lemon water or add a tiny pinch of Himalayan salt to your H2O. Why? Studies show this kickstarts your digestion, flushes toxins, and balances electrolytes. It's like hitting the reset button on your gut. And trust me, your energy levels will thank you. Sip it slow and feel the magic start. Habit 2. 5-minute movement. You don't need a gym. Just 5 minutes of bodyweight moves like squats, push-ups, or a quick stretch. Research from the Journal of Physiology shows light morning exercise fires up your metabolism and boosts fat burning all day. Plus, it floods your brain with endorphins. Picture this. You're grooving to your favorite song, getting stronger, and burning calories before breakfast. Who doesn't want that? Habit 3. High-protein breakfast. Speaking of breakfast, Habit 3 is all about protein power. Swap the sugary cereal for eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a high-protein start cuts cravings and keeps blood sugar steady. Key for weight loss and energy. My go-to? Scrambled eggs with spinach. It's fast, delicious, and fuels you like a champ.
Habit 4. Sunlight exposure. Step outside for some sun. Just 10 minutes of morning light boosts vitamin D, amazing for your skin and bones, and syncs your circadian rhythm. For sleep medicine reviews, this means better sleep, less stress, and a natural anti-aging boost. No excuses. Sip your water outside and let the sun work its magic. Habit 5. Mindful breathing. Take 2 minutes for deep, slow breaths, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Science says this lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that ages us fast, and primes your mind for the day. It's simple, free, and insanely powerful. There you have it. 5 morning rituals to boost energy, burn fat, and slow aging. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, and if you love this, smash that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health hacks. At Health Libraries, we're all about living our healthiest, happiest lives together. See you in the next one.